Cerebellum, the silent area of the brain that doesn't cause any conscious movement. The structure of the cerebellum has three lobes: anterior lobe, posterior lobe, and flexonodular lobe. It's looking like a branching tree that have similar to the cerebral cortex structure. Cerebral cortex structure in the cerebrum. Suppose we have cerebellum here, and it's attached with the brainstem. Now, how it looking like branching tree? The structure that goes from brainstem to the cerebellum here, and the outer surface, it's looking like cerebral cortex. It means cerebellum also have a cortex, which is similar to the cerebrum. Cerebrum have cerebral cortex, here this type of cortex. Now it divided into three lobes: anterior lobe, posterior lobe, and flexonodular lobe. The function of these lobes to guard the motor signal from the cerebral cortex. They got motor signal from cerebral cortex and also they got signal from motor cortex structure like primary motor cortex, premotor cortex, and supplementary motor cortex. In the previous lecture, we also discussed the structure of motor area, primary, premotor, and supplementary area. It also got information from 8 cranial nerves, which is known as cochlear nerve. This nerve comes from the middle ear, cranial nerve 8, known as cochlear nerve, in the ear. Now, it also got information from vision movement. And if we remove the cerebellum from the body, or sometimes accidentally cerebellum damage, what happened? When cerebellum damage, it's mean highly abnormal movement of the body. It is important structure, but it's silent. This information for you guys. Thank you so much.